Hello guys, so welcome again. In this video we will do a text analyzer. First, let me run and show you how it works. For example, here we have a text area and we will use text area function here. I will explain that. And when you write a text, for example, we have a news here and I just pass the text, and when I click analyze, the code gives me how many words this text has. Word count 182. So in this text we have 182 words. Okay, well, let's look at the code. Again, we are using ipywidgets here. Text input, our first variable, and we are using text area function. Description, enter text. Here we are seeing enter text. After that, analyze button. Here we have a button, and for that we are using toggle button, description, analyze. On the button we are seeing analyze, and word count level is level here. We are defining a level because later we will change the value of the level. If I think you all realize that we are doing almost similar things the previous 5 or 10 projects. We are defining text input and button and other things, and we are defining a variable here, and it's just level, and we have a function. Inside this function we do something, and we find the value of this level, and we define that value. After that we are just observe, we are running this function with observe function. After that we are just printing by using vertical box, and in this way we can see 2, 3, 4. If you have like 10 different levels, you can add here. So the logic is same, and what we are doing different projects. Okay, let's look at we talked about toggle button and word count level, widgets level. Here we have a function analyze text, and we are using change here because if you use observe function you have to use change. And if change new true, it means that before also we used that, it means that we clicked the button. So if you want to understand the click button, when we click change new will be true. If you do another things, when click again, you can put write else, or if change new equals false, or if not change new, also you can say you can write. And in this condition, text equals text input. Here we have a text area. Here text input area, this one value equals the text here what we have write. And words text dot split. Split here we will split all the words by using split function. And let me show you how it works. Maybe some of you don't know that. Here, like we have a text hello world, and text split here. Words will be a list, and inside this one you also can write, like if you make space, it means that it will split all the words with space. But if you don't write anything, it will split in the same way. Let me run, but nothing changed. But if you want to split with just one letter, like for example L or E, if you write here E, it will split by using E here, H, and the other word LLO. But here, as you can see, we don't see E. It deletes E and splits two parts. For example, if you have 2E here and split this one, and this one. So it's useful. So splitting a string, a text, and it creates a list. And in this list, we have splitted words. And if you split with space, so in that list, we just have words in that text. After that, the word count equals len words. Here words is a list. Len function just calculate how many elements there in the list. So here, for example, hello world, we have just 2. Let me show you. And just print word count, and we have 2. So if I just space and write something, space, write something, space, write something, and I add like 3 words here. As you can see, I have 5. And here, in our text, it's a long text, so we don't know. It calculates here how many words we have, and then we change word count label we created here. Value equals the string word count equals here word count. After that, analyze button, observe, analyze text, value. Analyze button, what's happening here? Whenever analyze button's value changed, it means that whenever I click the button, this line run analyze text function again. So these things happen, and it's here I also make bigger. I have a text when I analyze to 182. So if I change the text here, analyze again, as you can see, I changed. It will rerun the function and recalculate the text. It's really useful. You can do it with other things. You can just put the text here and click the button, and you can find how many words you have in your text. Okay guys, if you have any more questions, please ask me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.